In this video, I want to share with you a common mistake number 6 that can affect your trademark registration and protection. Not updating your trademark information or making changes without approval. Watch this video and learn how to avoid it. If you change any information related to your trademark, such as your name, address, ownership, or goods or services, you need to update it with the USPTO as soon as possible. Failure to do so may result in cancellation or abandonment of your trademark registration. Similarly, if you want to make any changes to your trademark itself, such as adding or deleting elements, changing colors or fonts, or altering the design, you need to seek approval from the USPTO before doing so. Otherwise, you may lose your rights or face opposition from other parties. To avoid this mistake, you need to follow some simple steps for updating and modifying your trademark. Notify the USPTO of any changes in your name, address, ownership, or goods or services by filing a Section 7 request with the USPTO. If you want to change your trademark itself, you file a new application with the USPTO and pay a new filing fee. If you want to add or delete elements, change colors or fonts, or alter the design of your trademark, you need to submit a specimen showing the new appearance of your trademark. Also, you need to submit a verified statement that the mark is still in use with the USPTO. It is very important to know that you cannot materially modify the trademark, and it must keep the same commercial impression. Don't make this mistake and risk losing your trademark rights. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.